Let's start the show. I don't wanna be how everybody else is. I'd much rather be original. First off, I'm thankful for everyone that follows me, and everyone that doubted me can swallow their apology. I'm the kind of character that's written in mythology, living in the present day, it's in my biology. Rap about equality and rock the mic properly. It's obvious a lot of you could learn from this philosophy.